When I decided to start poultry, people laughed. They said, how will you keep chicks warm with no brooder, no heat bulb, no feeders, nothing? But I had something they didn't see. A mother hen. In my village, hens have been raising chicks naturally for generations. And really, I used that. A small wooden coop made from old timber, mud, and a bit of grass for bedding, and the warmth of a natural mother. When the mother hen hatched her 12 chicks, I added a few which I had bought from a neighbor, making a total of 20 chicks. As you can see here, there is no heat. There is no electric brooder, no incubator, just a mother's wings and my consistency. In the evening, I will light a small charcoal pot near the coop, not to heat it like a machine, but just to reduce the cold wind, okay? The rest was up to the nature. And of course, faith.